Introduction to Automated Financial Reports.
Automated financial reports help you track your income, expenses, and savings with minimal effort. Many budgeting apps now offer ways to customize these reports and schedule them to arrive in your inbox or dashboard automatically. This guide will show you how to make the most of these features for clearer, up-to-date money insights.
Accessing reporting features in your app.
Begin by exploring the major tools or analytics section of your budgeting app. Look for options like Reports, Insights, or Financial Summary. Most popular apps, such as Mint, YNAB, or Pocket Guard, group their reporting tools in a dedicated tab. Familiarize yourself with these areas to see what reports are available, including trends, categories, and account summaries.
Customizing reports to fit your needs.
Personalize your reports by selecting date ranges, choosing which accounts or categories to include, and picking specific metrics you care about, like savings, food spending, or debt payoff. Adjust filters to exclude non-essential transactions or focus on priorities. Custom settings make reports far more useful, helping you spot patterns and make informed decisions.
Automating report delivery.
To save time, set your app to automatically generate and deliver reports. Look for options labeled Schedule or Automate. You can often choose daily, weekly, or monthly frequency and get reports sent via email or as app notifications. Automation ensures you regularly review your finances, even if you're busy.
Tips for interpreting and using reports.
Use your automated, customized reports to spot trends and adjust your budget. Look for increases in spending, unexpected charges, or patterns in your savings. Reviewing reports regularly can help you set new financial goals, identify areas for improvement, and stay motivated to stick to your budget.
Conclusion: take control of your finances.
Customizing and automating financial reports streamlines personal finance management. With the right setup, your app can provide timely insights for smarter daily decisions. Explore the features in your budgeting app today and enjoy a clearer path to your financial goals.